Hey guys, my name is Aldrin Ilagan and I am currently a junior in the Great Oak Jazz Ensemble. In this video, we will be going over the B-flat major scale as well as the B-flat blues scale. We will be adding a sustained B-flat concert pitch to find our first note, air and valving the first time through, and then finally playing it the second time. Again, we will be airing and valving the first time through. Now, let's play it. Remember to push to the end of the release of each scale. If you would like to use the recording that I use in this video, as well as find other audition material, go to the Spirit of Great Oak website. That is spiritofgreatoak.com, the same website where you found the registration form. To find the recordings, go to the homepage and scroll down. And on your right-hand side, you will find the major and blues scales of different keys. As far as audition material goes, go to the Director's Notes tab, scroll down, and you'll find the audition material for both jazz and marching ensembles for your respective instrument. That's it for this video. Be sure to play with confidence, and I'll see you next year.